Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from your location. My name is Patrick Tia Jr., live here in Grand Creek County at the scene where a Lowbed fell into River Jen following a mistake from the driver boinking two excavators with 4 persons on the Lowbed, heading from Barclayville or leaving from Barclayville to Pleebo County or the Pleebo Belt. So we are live here on the scene, and we're also going to give you exactly the information of how the road is looking like here. So this motorbike going to serve as how the road looks like. So this is the curve that people continue to discuss in Grand Creek. Right? This is the curve. So you will come here. You will come here. You will view this. Now, you see how the car is going? So you're going to chip in and find your way out. Now you're coming from Barclayville, because that's road. This is the lane, and this is how you get into Pleebo County. So now you're coming from Barclayville, taking this lane and heading to Meridian County. A mistake from your end going to take you directly into the water. That place you see there is the water. It's River Jen. Let's talk about this Lowbed issue. The Lowbed came from the belt of Barclayville, from the end of Barclayville, heading to the, or using the road heading to the Meridian side. Let's see how the driver made a mistake. Let's take you there. But this is how the car looks like. And there is nothing of description. There is nothing of description at all. This place being drawn on a plate to describe how the road looks like to the drivers or the riders. Let's take you there. But just before we go there, we were told that 4 persons were on the Lowbed with 2 escars. With 2 escars. And the safe news is that of the 4 persons, no major injury was reported. So we are heading there. Above or ahead of us here is the excavator or the Lowbed. Now this is River Jen, and this is the road. You see the curve? So you're going to bend in like this. This is the river that we're talking about, River Jen. Yes, it also River Jen again. Now, you have the lane here. We're heading there. How the driver managed. That's the main thing. That's another thing. This is the center of the road. Well, this is it. So, here is it. Now, he could not get in the center of this road. He used the left side of the road. The head of this Lowbed crossed the road or the bridge. Here is it. It crossed the bridge. Right? But this is how it ends. This is where the tire end up passing. And we want to believe it is the back tire. Unfortunately, the driver ended up having this accident. So 2 escas are into the water along with this lowbed. How you think they're going to manage? How you think? Some of you have dropped before. What you think happened? What exactly happened? How it happened? Well, explain to also those one of you. Report it. Tell them that this is what needed to be done. But another concern is the safety of the road. The safety of the road. These type of bridges are not safe for our people. Right? So you have your own saying. This is the river. Above there is Jenikin, and this is River Jen. This is Lowbed. You have the 2 escas right in the water. So let's see how best we can show you the 2 escas. So this is one of the escas, and that's the second one. Thanks for watching. My name is Patrick here. Keep following for more of these developments, more of these happenings. Also, I committed to bringing you more. One of the issues is the aspect of the bridge being saved, or being safe rather. So it's not safe for transportation, especially you breaking a lowbed with 2 escas on it. Thank you so much. Until